I'll introduce 3 characteristics of the white rhinoceros. First, why is the white rhinoceros called that? It's because these animals have a wide mouth, originally called wide. But over time it sounded more like white. So, their name was a mistake. Second, do you know how much these creatures weigh? They can weigh up to 2,300 kilograms. That's about the weight of a small car. Despite their heavy weight, they can reach speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour, which could make them a symbol of speed, right? Lastly, white rhinoceroses are actually very social animals. They graze together and communicate with each other. But their way of communication is different from humans, which you might find fascinating.